Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Podcast with FTJ. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Jack. Hey everyone, how are you today?
I'm great, Jack, and I'm so excited because today we are going to learn small talks in English for daily life.
Oh yes, small talks are so important. They help us talk to anyone easily.
Exactly. Even if you are shy, small talks make things easier.
So true. And today we will practice common phrases you can use every day.
Let's start with something simple. How do you greet someone?
The easiest one is, "Hi, how's it going?"
Yes, and you can also say, "Hey, how are you today?"
And when someone asks, "How's it going?" you can say, "Good. And you?"
Or even, "I'm doing great, thanks for asking."
That's so simple, right? Small talks are just little conversations like this.
Yes, and later we will learn more phrases you can use when meeting friends, coworkers, or even strangers.
Exactly. And don't worry, everyone. We will go step by step so it's easy to follow.
Okay, Jack, let's practice a short conversation using greetings.
Sure, let's do it.
Okay, Jack, now that we practiced greetings, let's try asking about someone's day.
Yes, a simple one is, "How was your day?"
Exactly. And you can also ask, "Did you have a good day?"
And if someone asks you back, you can say, "It was good, thanks. How about you?"
Or, "Pretty good, thanks for asking." It sounds friendly and natural.
Another one is asking about weekends, like, "Did you do anything fun this weekend?"
Yes, and if you want, you can also say, "How was your weekend?"
And the answer could be, "It was great. I went to the park."
Or, "It was okay, I just relaxed at home." Simple and natural.
See, small talk is really just showing interest in the other person.
Exactly. And you don't need long sentences. Just short, friendly questions work perfectly.
Now, let's try something about plans or choices. Sometimes people ask, "What do you want to do?"
Right. And if you don't mind, you can say, "Either way works for me."
Or, "I'm easygoing about it." That's very natural when you want to be flexible.
You can also say, "I don't mind, you decide." It's polite and simple.
Yes, and these are phrases people use all the time in daily life.
Okay, let's try a short conversation using these phrases.
Sure, you start, Jennifer.
"Hey, Jack, how was your weekend?"
It was great. I went to a new cafe. How about you?
"I just relaxed at home. It was nice."
Cool. Do you want to go for coffee this weekend?
Either way works for me. I'm easygoing.
Perfect. Let's decide later then.
See, that was easy and natural.
Exactly. Small talk doesn't need to be complicated. Short sentences, simple questions, and friendly words are enough.
And that's what we will keep practicing in this podcast.
Step by step, everyone. Don't worry if it feels slow at first.
Yes, the more you practice, the easier it becomes. Okay, Jack, now let's talk about something everyone loves, food.
Yes, talking about food is easy and fun. You can ask, "What do you feel like eating?"
Or, "Do you want to grab some lunch?" Simple and friendly.
And if you're flexible, you can say, "Either way works for me," or "I'm easygoing about it."
That's very natural when talking with friends.
And people usually answer with their favorite food, like, "I feel like eating pizza," or "I want sushi."
Exactly. And you can ask more questions like, "Where do you want to go?" Or, "What kind of pizza do you like?"
Yes, small talk is just short, friendly exchanges. You don't need long sentences. Another easy topic is daily activities. You can ask, "What are you doing today?"
Or, "Do you have any plans today?" People can answer simply, like, "I'm going to the market," or "Just relaxing at home."
And you can continue the conversation with, "That sounds nice," or "I hope you have a good day."
Another good one is making plans. You can say, "Do you want to meet this weekend?"
Or, "What do you feel like doing this weekend?" And if you're flexible, "I'm easygoing. Whatever you want works for me."
Yes, that sounds very natural when talking with friends. Okay, let's try a short conversation using food and plans.
Sure, you start, Jennifer.
"Hey, Jack, do you want to grab some lunch?"
Sure, what do you feel like eating?
Maybe pizza. How about you?
Pizza sounds great. Where do you want to go?
Either way works for me. I'm easygoing.
Perfect. Let's try that new pizza place near the park.
Great idea. I heard their pizza is really good.
Yes, I can't wait. This will be fun.
See? Small talks are simple when you ask questions and show interest.
Exactly. And phrases like either way works for me or I'm easygoing make conversations very natural.
That's why practicing these phrases is so helpful for daily life.
Yes, and don't forget, short sentences and friendly words are enough.
Hey, Jack. Sometimes I don't know what to say next in a conversation. Do you have any tips?
Yes, a good way is to make a suggestion or ask for the other person's opinion.
Like what?
For example, you can say, do you want to go for a walk or should we watch a movie?
Oh, I see. And if the other person doesn't mind, you can say, either way works for me.
Exactly, or I'm easygoing about it. Very simple and natural.
And if someone suggests something, you can respond with, that sounds good, or I like that idea.
Or even, sure, let's do it. Short and friendly.
Okay, let's try an example conversation using suggestions.
Great, you start, Jennifer.
Hey, Jack, do you want to go for a walk in the park?
Sure, or we could go get some ice cream first.
Ice cream sounds good. I love that idea.
Great, there's a new ice cream shop near the park. Want to try it?
Yes, let's go. Either way works for me.
Perfect, I'm easygoing too.
See? Short sentences and simple suggestions keep the conversation going.
Yes, and asking questions like, what do you feel like doing, or do you want to, really helps.
Another tip is to react naturally to what the other person says. Like if they say, I love pizza, you can say, me too, or that's my favorite too.
Or, really? I didn't know that. I like it too. It shows you're listening and interested.
Exactly. And that's the key to friendly small talk. Just listen and respond naturally.
Yes, and don't be afraid to use phrases we've learned. Either way works for me, I'm easygoing about it, or that sounds good.
Okay, let's do one more short practice using reactions and suggestions.
Sure, you start, Jennifer.
Hey, Jack, what do you feel like doing this afternoon?
Maybe we can go to the cafe and then take a walk.
That sounds perfect. I love that idea.
Great. Should we meet at 3 p.m.?
Sure, either way works for me.
Perfect. I'm easygoing too.
See? Small talk is really just asking questions, making suggestions, and reacting naturally.
Yes, and the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Hey, Jack, what do you usually do on weekends?
Well, I like to go shopping sometimes. How about you?
I usually go for a walk or meet friends. Sometimes I just relax at home.
That sounds nice. What kind of shops do you like to go to?
I like small shops and markets. They have interesting things.
Me too. I love checking out new places. Do you want to go shopping together this weekend?
Sure. What do you feel like buying?
Maybe some books or clothes. How about you?
I think I want to buy some snacks and a new bag.
Great. Either way works for me. I'm easygoing about it.
Perfect. And after shopping, we can get some coffee.
Yes, that sounds like a good plan.
Another easy topic for small talk is weekend activities. You can ask, do you have any plans this weekend?
Or, what are you planning to do this weekend?
People usually answer with short sentences like, I'm going hiking or I'm visiting my family.
And you can respond naturally. That sounds fun. Or, wow, I hope you have a great time.
Exactly. And sometimes you can make suggestions like, do you want to join me for a movie?
Or, we could go to the park together.
Yes, and if they agree, you can say, great, either way works for me.
Or, I'm easygoing too. Simple and friendly.
Let's try a short conversation about weekend plans.
Okay, you start.
Hey, Jack, do you have any plans this weekend?
I'm thinking about going hiking. How about you?
I want to check out the new cafe in town.
That sounds fun. Maybe I can join you after hiking.
Sure, that works. Either way works for me.
Great. I'm easygoing too.
See, just short questions and friendly suggestions make small talk very easy.
Yes, and talking about weekends, shopping, or hobbies is perfect for daily conversations.
Exactly. You don't need long sentences, just friendly interest and natural reactions.
And remember, phrases like either way works for me or I'm easygoing about it make you sound very natural in English.
Right, and that's what we will keep practicing, step by step. Hey Jack, have you watched any good movies recently?
Yes, I watched a comedy last night. It was really funny. How about you?
I saw a drama. It was interesting but a little sad.
Oh, I see. What was it about?
It was about friendship and life changes. Very touching.
That sounds nice. I love movies about friendship, too.
Me too. Sometimes it's nice to watch something that makes you think.
By the way, do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I usually watch short series. What about you?
I like series, too, especially mysteries. They keep me curious.
That's fun. Maybe we can watch a series together sometime.
Sure, either way works for me. I'm easygoing.
Perfect. And talking about food while watching movies is fun too.
Yes, like ordering pizza or snacks. What do you feel like eating during movies?
Popcorn is a must. Maybe some chocolate too.
Nice. I love chocolate. Popcorn and chocolate is a perfect combo.
And if we go out to eat before the movie, we can try something new.
Yes. Do you want to try that new burger place this weekend?
Sure, that sounds good. Either way works for me.
Great. I'm easygoing too.
Perfect. And after shopping, we can get some coffee.
Yes, that sounds like a good plan.
Another casual small talk topic is friends. You can ask, have you seen Sarah lately?
Or did you meet anyone new recently? Short and simple.
And people usually answer like, yes, I met her last weekend, or not really, I stayed home.
Then you can react naturally. Oh, that sounds fun. Or I hope you meet soon.
Exactly. And you can also ask about plans with friends, like, do you want to go out together sometime?
And if you're flexible, say, I'm easygoing. Whatever you want works for me.
Let's try a short conversation about friends and movies.
Okay, you start.
Hey Jack, have you seen Sarah recently?
Yes, we went to the movies last weekend.
Oh, nice. What did you watch?
A comedy. It was really funny.
That sounds great. Do you want to go together next time?
Sure, either way works for me. I'm easygoing.
Perfect. And maybe we can grab some snacks before the movie.
Yes, popcorn and chocolate, my favorite combo.
See, talking about movies, TV shows, food, and friends is easy if you ask questions and make suggestions. Wow, Jack, we covered a lot today.
Yes, greetings, weather, hobbies, food, plans, movies, and friends.
And we practiced phrases like either way works for me and I'm easygoing about it.
Short sentences and friendly questions are all you need.
Making suggestions is important too.
Like, do you want to go for a walk or should we get coffee?
And simple reactions make conversations natural. That sounds fun, or I like that idea.
Try practicing small talk every day.
Step by step, you will feel confident.
Don't worry about mistakes, just try and have fun.
Yes, keep it relaxed and friendly. Thanks for listening to English Podcast with FTJ.
See you next time. Keep practicing and have fun.